Today we'll talk about how can you enable smart reminders on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to accept here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on messaging, just click on it. Then you come to accept here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. Then you come here to smart reminders, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here smart reminders enable with us now. So that's all you have to do here. Then here you will get notified before the date of coming pills, travel or tickets. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.